This CCTV footage shows the moment a car crashed into a lorry as it tried to overtake it. The footage was captured in a tunnel in the city of Dongren in eastern Guizhou. It shows the moments leading up to the crash, where the SUV changed lanes and attempted to overtake a truck. It suddenly lost control due to the slippery road and ended up crashing into the truck. The vehicles ploughed into a sidewall and the truck, which was loaded with tractors, was flipped onto its side. Miraculously, local media say there were no injuries, but the vehicles and truck were seriously damaged.